In this video, I will be teaching you how to use Viggy AI and what are the features and how basically to use it properly, right? So what you need to do on the left side, you can see we have a couple of features. The mix is going to be mixing two different videos, or could be a video as a reference, as you can see, and then you can upload an image, and on top of that it is going to be applying that video effect. Let's just say we have a dancing video of this particular guy over here, Ronaldo, and then if you want simply anybody else with this, so what you're going to be doing here is you can click onto this particular section, click on gallery, and here you can upload choose any other guy. Let's just say we have this one, click on confirm and generate. So he's going to be applying this effect of Ronaldo on that cartoon character and giving us the result. So that's how you can actually use it. You can also use multi-option move. We are going to be discussing those in later on videos, but the basic idea is simply using this. So you can see it is generating, and here you can see we have this effect now applied on top of that, and yeah, so you can see how good this looks.